Hello traders and investors, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. Trading Bitcoin in the coming few days and weeks is going to be very tricky. Why is it going to be tricky? Because in trading and in TA you need to use rigid criteria. And the fact that Bitcoin closed the daily candle above the previous lower high compels me to give the bullish interpretation of the chart precedence. So it doesn't mean that my expectation of a deeper correction, which will probably make it between 48 to 44, it doesn't mean that it's out of the window, but it means that it is less likely and I need to interpret the chart in a more bullish manner. What is the bullish interpretation of the chart? That this was a leading diagonal in wave 1 and Bitcoin has now entered a wave 2 correction. What is a target for a wave 2 correction? A shallow wave 2 could go as low as the 0.382, which currently sits at 60,500, more or less at the range low. The most common target is the 0.5, between the 0.5 and the 0.618, which means that the price reversal zone for a wave 2 is between 57.8 and 59.2. If the price will move lower than 57.8, then the case for a deeper correction will get the precedence again. Now, why is it going to be difficult trading Bitcoin? Because I expect Bitcoin to make it to the range low, to the 0.382 correction at 60,500 or 60,800 in the A wave of the correction. And then we will have uncertainty. Is it possible that the correction is over and done with and we are going higher? Or is it just a B wave and we are moving lower after that? If price will reverse at the range low, it will be tricky. How do I intend to solve this problem? I intend to divide this move to 3 parts, which means this morning I entered a short, re-entered a short, I should say, because I was, yesterday I entered a premature short which was closed in a loss. Today I re-entered and I'm aiming for the range low. When the price will make it to the range low, 60,800, I will close the trade, or at least most of the trade, and I will expect a bounce. And I will probably long this bounce as well. But I am going to raise my stop loss together with the price, because if this will be a B wave, it will be a dead cat bounce, which will most likely make it to 62.5, between 62.5 and 63. And then we will see a reversal to the downside. And to the uninitiated, this reversal is going to be very, very scary, because Bitcoin will lose this trend line. It will also lose the range low. And it is going to scare a lot of people, but it could reverse at 57.8, which is not a lot lower, and continue to the upside, and people will not know what to make of the chart. Okay? So I'm giving you the criteria. 60,800 is going to be my take profit target, and I will expect a bounce in at 60,800, between 60,800 and 60,500. I will long this bounce. However, I will be ready and vigilant for this to be a dead cat bounce, which will result in a move lower. If we will lose the trend line and we will lose the range low, you will know that wave C of wave 2 is underway. And then you will need to keep a close eye on this price reversal zone between 57.8 and 59.2, because if Bitcoin will lose this price reversal zone, it means that the more deeper correction scenario is in play, and in that case we are going lower initially to 48, but possibly even lower to 44. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.